In this video, we will go over in the field label printing and sample collection. First, before you begin sampling, make sure that your printer is turned on. Some printers may fall asleep after a set period of time. Next, make sure your printer is properly paired to your device. This is covered in another video. To begin sampling or collecting data, tap on the sample location you are located at. Inside the sample location, at the top are previously taken pictures. You can add a picture by tapping the camera button. The next section is the GPS map. You can use this map to easily find your sample location by hitting the directions button. Below that is the location information. This area will contain notes from various information sources, and below that is the GPS functionality. To set the GPS of your sample location, tap the GPS button while your tablet is over the correct spot to be documented. Next is the container summary. This area will be blank if you are only collecting field data. On the left, it will show the name of the test and corresponding lab. The middle row will display the required container and how many containers needed. Most items on this page are covered in depth in other videos. The last section is sample location historical data. To begin sampling or collecting field data, tap Start Sampling. The next screen will be dependent on your media type. Some media types and sampling methods have built-in data collection forms. This location is a 3-volume purge, so the software automatically pulls up a groundwater data form. This section can also contain customized forms you have added in the work scope as well. After entering the required data, we'll sign our name and take a selfie. This information will be displayed on the sampling report. After the selfie, the information will be saved. If your printer is properly connected, your bottle labels will begin printing. The next screen will show a review of your samples collected. If you are bringing pre-printed bottle labels, the date and time are listed in the status column for you to write on the label after signing. To reprint a specific label, tap the reprint button next to the corresponding bottle. To reprint all labels, tap reprint labels on the bottom left. When finished, hit continue and your location will be marked as complete. The sample will now show in your custody on the custody screen, ready to be transferred to a team member or laboratory. You can always go back into the completed location to reprint bottle labels by tapping Review Sampling and skipping to the Sample Collection tab. That is how you collect data and print labels in the field.